Hi sir, good morning. This is a 2.51 echographs. This is a time gene compensation or time barrage gene is to adjust the strength or returning echo signal based on their depth. It compensates for signal weakening as sound wave travel deeper, ensuring that echoes from both shallow and deep areas are displayed with consistent clarity. This allows for a balanced and clear image or reading in echographs. This is next alarm, sir. This is alarm. The alarm function is echographs alerts the user when present condition like specific depth or signal change or react, ensuring safety and highlighting important information. This is a gene, sir. Here, here a gene. The gene function is in echograph adjust the appli- amplification of echo signals for enhanced clarity, compensate for deep related signal loss, and reduce background noise, optimizing image performance and accuracy. Next is marks. There's a marks. There, marks. There are four types of marks possibilities. Eco trace, calibration marks, target marks, error marks. Muna sa mga types ng mga marks. Next is orange. This is orange. Orange, sir. There. The range is an echo sounder refers to the maximum depth of it can measure. It's the vertical distance the instrument can see underwater. Here's our range limits. Sound sweep strength, water condition, instrument design. Next is power. This is a power, sir. There. The power is an echo sounder refers to the strength of the sound wave it emits. This power is crucial for the instrument effectiveness as it directly impacts how far the sound wave can travel and how clearly it can detect objects underwater. It's done, sir, and I thank you.